Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So in my last video I talked about how I plan my farm activities. As a farmer, as an agricultural business owner, you need to plan your farm activities. So if you've not seen the video, please check it out. The video is good for newbies or people that are interested in going into farming full-time. So today I want to talk about how I make money from my farm business. So if you're interested in today's video, please smash the like button, subscribe, and let's dive into it. So the very first way I make money from my farm business is through collaboration. And I started collaboration 2 years ago, but not in full. I started it fully last year when I saw that the more I am closer to the soil, I will not be making profit. I mean, the more I cultivate, the more I till the ground, I will not really make profit from it. And I don't understand all crops. I was trying to do so many crops. I'll do pepper, I'll do tomato. So I said that me doing too many crops and trying to understand it, the time I used to understand it, I was easy to do something else. I decided to leave the work for people that is what they do. So what I did is I look for farmers that cultivate different crops and I collaborate with them. So I reached out to 3 farmers for a start: the cucumber farmer, the pepper farmer, and the tomato farmer. Why? Because this is what I have ready markets for, and only me cannot cultivate it because I cannot be expert in all aspects of farming. So I gave it to them to do. And me, what I do at my own end is I look for the market for us to sell this produce. So this is how I've been doing for the past 1 year now, and to be very honest, I have made more profit than I have ever made over 7 years after their farming. Collaborating has opened my eyes to the more opportunities in agriculture other than farming. It gives me more time to do other things like creating content like this. Then it was difficult for me to create content. I used to batch create because I have to be on field. But now that I'm collaborating with people, I can do it at my own pace. Tomorrow after this video, I'll be going out to do market research. By now, I'll be on field. We'll be sleeping on the farm. And it's all about gamble because, to be very honest, as a farm owner, if you're doing multiple crops, you will not understand it. So I learned that giving it to experts of each crop, you will gain more results than you trying to do everything on your own. So yes, so this is the first time I'm making money. And how do I make money? Through collaboration. Once they are done cultivating, I give them the land, I give them the inputs. Once they are done cultivating, we divide it into 3 portions. Sometimes we divide it into 4, but last year we divided it into 3 portions. The farmer will take 1 portion, I will take 1 portion. Then the farm, that's everything we got. If we lease the land, if we bought the seedling, the fertilizer, and everything we spent, we take 1 portion. So most time we do join money to buy it. But if I'm the one that's supported, I will have to divide it equal. We divide that one into the remaining one into 60-40. I will take the 60, they will take the 40 with their 1 portion. So that is how we operate, and it has been a win-win for us. To be very honest, I wish I knew this earlier, but we move. The next way I make money from my farm business is through storage. Yes, storage. I've been doing storage for a while now, and every single year it just makes more sense on why I should store or on why I should build my own warehouse. Storage is so profitable, but you need to understand how storage works. So last year I did more on, I'm not someone that goes with the crowd, okay? So I did more on firewood, charcoal, and chaff. For people in my agribusiness class, you understand when I say chaff. So most people don't know that we can store chaff. So chaff, firewood, I mean all this bean chaff, granite chaff, like that. Chaff, firewood, and charcoal gave me my most money last year, and I will keep on investing my money in it. Why people are rushing to store palm oil, I'm rushing to store firewood, chaff, and all these little things that you never put your mind into. So yes, agriculture business class students, you guys already understand it, and some of them now want to go into partnership with me on storing chaff. Now that is another way I make my money. I also store palm oil, but for my palm oil I do it limited. I only store 120 kegs every single year. If my demand, if the demand is so much, I can do 150, but I make sure I don't exceed that 150 because that is what I can sell. But palm oil does not really give me enough profit the way chaff and firewood does. So I focus more on those aspects. Okay, next way I make money from my farm business is through agricultural business, trading of commodities, sell something. So what I do now is, let's say you have a product to sell and I'm interested in that product. I linked up with one of my friends into catfish production. I tried this catfish and the fish was so yummy that I was forced to advertise it. So what I do is, if I like your product, I'll just take it. How much do you sell it? Oh, Julie, it's 1.5. Okay, me, I'll sell it 1.6 or 1.7. That is how I also make money from my farm business. I do agribusiness, I do trading of agri commodities, but most of these things are not from me. So I look for people that are doing it and help, like I help create market for them. I have discovered of recent that I'm more interested in marketing. I think that's where my energy is. So I want to really focus in marketing. I'll help you sell and you make your profits from it. So yes, I'm making profits also. My little Oyibo will call it affiliate marketing, yes, but my own affiliate marketing is through agriculture business and people that do agriculture business. I help, there's someone I know that produces pap too. I help her advertise her pap and I make my own profit from it. I know someone that produces ori. I buy the ori in bulk, take it to clinic around me, and I make my own profit from it. So these are ways that I make profit from my farm business. And finally, the way I make money from my farm business is through sales of seed and seedling. I think that one is obvious. Everybody knows that. So what I do every year is I partner with a seed company, okay? And I look for the best seed company. I partner with a seed company and I help them sell their seeds. But the problem with the seed company stuff is I need to test run it, and that is why before I give you the seed, before I sell the seed to you, I have tried it on my farm. Okay, before I sell you pepper seed, I have cultivated it. Before I give you cucumber seed, I have cultivated it. And that's why I see most times when I come here to recommend seed, I recommend maybe 2 or 3 types that I have. It's not that they are not like, it's not that we don't have different types, but the ones I have tried is the one I can recommend to you. So yes, I make money from seed, the sales of seed and seedling as well. I look for farmers that are into nursery, that their primary production is just nursery, and I buy from them and I help them sell in case they don't have ways to sell. Now let me chip this in. Over the years when I've been talking about agriculture, agribusiness, I used to tell people that focus on one thing. Let people know you for one thing. And now it's beginning to pay off for people that decided to pick a niche. I have someone that I buy seedling from. What this guy does is just nursery. It does not do any other thing. It's just nursery of 3 crops. I have another person that what he just does is nursing of seeds, all these food crops, short-term crops, seed. That is what he does. Focus on one thing, and I promise you that one thing will, your right will say, oh my jello, it will go far. Right, so nursery is another aspect. This is for newbies. It's another aspect you should look into. It's not compulsory you farm from A to Z. No, you can help people to grow it. Like me, if I want to cultivate palm tree, I don't have the energy to wait to get the seed and start nursing it. I will go for seedling, and I only go for seedling from trusted hands, people that have patronized over the years. Okay, so these are ways I make money from my farm business. I hope you love it. I hope you got value. Let me know the ways you make money from your farm business outside your farming, or maybe storage or any other thing you're doing. Let me know the ways you make money from it. But these ways are practical. I've told you how it works. There are practical ways that you can get started. If you're feeling lost and you think, oh Julie, you said all these things, I want to tap into one, how do you think I can get started? I have all my details in the description box. Please check it out and reach out to me and let's talk. All right, if you got value, as usual, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.